Good morning, my beautiful viewers. This is James Carpenter with Country Living. I've been gardening since 1965, and today I'm out here with my 1988 Kubota B Series Tractor. Under 1,000 hours, getting this garden ready the old-fashioned way. Now let me tell you, this isn't just about dirt. This is about food, hard work, and a way of life that most people have forgotten. When I was a kid, my parents put in a large garden every single year. And when harvest time came, that's when the real work started. We weren't just picking vegetables. We were canning, preserving, getting ready for winter. And I'll tell you something, our gardening teaches you discipline real fast. Tilling isn't just turning over dirt. It does a few very important things. Breaks up compacted soil so roots can grow deeper. Improves air and water movement in the ground. Mixes in nutrients and organic matter. Helps control weeds before they take over. And if you're serious about getting a good yield, it all starts right here. This tractor may be from 1988, but it's proof that if you take care of your equipment, it'll take care of you. Under 1,000 hours, still running strong, and paired with a tiller, it makes light work out of something that used to take days by hand. That's something I want you to think about. How much time could the right equipment save you? Gardening isn't easy. It takes time, effort, patience. But the payoff, you know exactly what's in your food. No chemicals, no guesswork, no shortcuts. Just honest work and honest results. And I'll tell you, there's a sense of accomplishment you just can't buy in a store. Do you grow your own food? Or have you ever thought about starting? What's the biggest garden you've ever planted? Would you rather do this by hand or use equipment like this? Make sure you watch until the end. I got some bonus footage that you're not going to want to miss. Alright folks, that's going to wrap up today's video. I sure appreciate you spending a little time with me out here in the garden. Like I always say, this isn't just about the work. It's about the lifestyle, the lessons, and the satisfaction that comes with it. Now I'd like to hear from you. Do you grow your own garden, or is it something you've been thinking about starting? Go ahead and drop a comment down below. I read every one of them, and I enjoy hearing your stories. And if you got something out of this video, give it a like. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. It really does help the channel grow, and it allows me to keep bringing you more content like this. Until next time, this is James Carpenter with Country Living, and I'll see you in the next one.